Hello and welcome everyone to today's Microsoft Minis PowerPoint Pro session. I am so glad to have you all back. Thank you so much for joining me. My name is Niall. Well, today we're going to have a look at how you can join two of the pieces of learning that we've done already within parts 1 and part 2 to make part 3. We're going to share and export images. Okay, so let's jump straight in. This one is a really cool one. This is actually one that I've enjoyed using with my classes previously. So teachers, this is a great tip for you, and students, this is a great way for you to create things and share them with the wider school as well. So let's jump straight in. My name is Niall. Welcome to PowerPoint Pro Part 3. I'll see you there. Hello and welcome to today's session. I am so excited to have you all here. Thank you for joining us. So you will notice that I am currently on Office 365, and on the left hand side I have clicked PowerPoint. Okay, so what we're going to have a look at today we're going to have a look at how you can export your presentations as an image. Okay, this one is going to be suited to both teachers and students. So I'm going to show you today how to create non-editable slides using the background option. Okay, so here we are. Here is a previous slide presentation that I have opened up. So you'll remember that you created your presentations like this, all about your favorite food, your favorite place, your favorite subject, and these are all images that are copyright free and that they have the Creative Commons license applied to them. You see I've still got all the attributions in there in place for downloading. So as a student, I can actually click on these and edit these if I'm needing to, but we're not going to do that. We're actually going to go to File, Save As, and we're going to download this presentation as an image. Okay, what we're then going to do is we're going to apply that as a background, and then nobody can edit that background. It's amazing, it's fantastic. Okay, so if you've got students who accidentally like to delete things or move things around accidentally and things go wrong and then you've got no idea what you're doing, this is going to solve this. Okay, students, this is a great way as well for you to, if your teacher forgets how to do this and they give you something and everything's all deletable by accident, you too can add your images as the background. Okay, so we're going to download our presentation as an image. So it's a picture, hit download. In the top right hand corner, because I'm using Edge, it will appear. You'll see that I've done this a couple of times now for today's presentation. I'm going to go open file, and now you will see that all of my slides are pictures. Okay, they're all images. What could you do with these? Well, you could apply them to your backgrounds of your slides, or you could use them. There we go for the final one. You could use them as backgrounds for your wallpapers as well for your desktop. Maybe you could apply them as wallpapers for your mobile device as well. You could share these easily on Teams. You could pop them wherever you like. Okay, so let's have a shot at adding these as a background, and then we're going to create a desktop background for you today using PowerPoint. So teachers, here's the first bit of learning for you. Okay, we're going to go right click, new slide, and from there I'm going to delete everything, and I'm going to put insert table and say we've got 3 questions for our students today. I'm going to go easy on you. Okay, so we've got question, so we'll 2 questions. Question, and answer. Okay, we're going to highlight all this and we are going to put it into the what am I doing with it here? Control E, there we go. center. Sometimes it's just quicker to use the keyboard. Okay, so question, what is 10 plus 2? Okay, and 5 plus 1. Okay, super simple questions. There we go. Bit of space in between. Don't worry, you don't have to create this just yet. So there is our questions. Now what do we do? Well, I'm going to copy all of this. Copy. No, I'm not. Yes, I'm going to copy all that. And then I'm going to go File. I'm going to go Save As an Image. Download that one image, or all the images there. Open the file. Fantastic. I'm then going to go back to Downloads, and it's going to be there. I'm going to right click and extract all. Hit extract. Sorry, that appeared on my other screen. And there we are, images 5. Brilliant. Okay, so now we've got all our images there. I can now design, background, picture from file. Let's add in our picture of the work for today's session. Slide number 4, there we go. Now that is the background here. So if I hit delete, look, there is our work. Your students cannot delete the questions or change the questions in any way. I'm on to you, students. Okay, so as the teacher now, all you're going to do is go insert a table and get a little to table, and we're just going to get rid of the no fill. And we're just going to adjust the table. So now your students can answer and put in the answers. What's 10 plus 2? Well, that is 12. And what is 5 plus 1? That is 6. Okay, fantastic. So that is how you do that. So what else did I say we were going to do? Today we were going to learn how to create a background for your wallpaper for your desktop, your Windows device, your iPad, Chromebook, whatever you're using. Okay. So again, I'm going to go right click any of the slides. I'm just going to go new slide, and we're going to delete these. So I'm just going to delete everything that is in there, and I'm going to go insert, and I'm going to go pictures, and I'm going to go from Bing Pictures. Okay, so let's say we're wanting to create one. Let's go for chicken burger. You can tell I've been making stuff before, so let's go for sunset. I think sunset's down the bottom here, is it not? Yep, sunset, beautiful. Oh, wow, look at these. I quite like that top one. These beach ones are nice. Yeah, let's go for a beach one. Okay, insert. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to get it to fill the slide. It might go over a little bit, but that's fine. Okay, so that now fills my slide and covers my slide. Okay, now remember, because this is a square presentation, you are going to lose a little bit of the image, but that's absolutely fine. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go insert, and I'm going to insert another picture, but this time I'm going to include something silly. So let's put an elephant into this image, and then at the back I'm going to put transparent. Okay, so now I'm going to add in my elephant. Let's see if this works. Hooray, it does work. Okay, and now I've still got the text on there as well. So now I've got an elephant at the beach. Look, the elephant's trying to catch the seagull. Fantastic. Let's add something else as well. Images, Bing Pictures. Let's go for, what else should we put on there? Let's go for a dinosaur. Let's go for dinosaur transparent. Okay, so that's just going to put a transparent background on it, and let's put on a dinosaur. I quite like this one here. So insert. Okay, and we're going to put that dinosaur just on there. Okay, so now that we've got our background, all we're going to go is File, and we're going to go Download as Image, Download. And now you've got your picture ready for you to add as your background. You've now downloaded your image and you can now apply that to your computer, your Chromebook, your iPad, to your Windows device background. Okay, so what are we going to do today? Today we are learning how to export images using Microsoft PowerPoint. So we've done a few things. From the teacher point of view, we've added images as backgrounds to our presentations, and from the student point of view, we have created some very silly images to use as your desktop backgrounds. Okay, so what do I want you to do? Just now, I would love it if you could please create a funny background image for your computer. You're then going to go by going Insert and Copyright Free Images. Then you're going to go File, Save As, and Download as an image. And then to apply that image to your background, all you're going to do is, I'll show you just 2 seconds. I'm going to have to export because I've got lots of files here. So export, extract all, hit extract, images 7, and you can go set as desktop background. And look, there we go. There, that is now my desktop background. Okay, that's all I want you to do, is to create a funny picture using Microsoft PowerPoint, and then I would love it if you could please add it as your desktop background. Okay, thank you very much. You've got 10 minutes starting now. Go. Wow, your desktop backgrounds look incredible. Super job, everyone. Thank you so much for joining us. Today, we were learning how we could export our Microsoft PowerPoints as images. Teachers, you have learned today how to add those images to the backgrounds of the work that you set on PowerPoint, and students, you have learned how to add those images as your desktop backgrounds as well. Thank you so much for joining us. My name is Niall, and I look forward to seeing you on our next session, PowerPoint Pro Part 4. I'll see you all there. Bye.